morning.
Good morning.
So we're actually, do you believe it's day 5 already?
Yes.
We're in Krakow today, and the plan is going to the Schindler Museum.
Schindler Museum.
Which is located in the factory that he had.
Mm-hmm.
And then after that, it's just a shopping day, really. So we're going to just run around, buy souvenirs for everybody, and get stuff for ourselves.
Yeah. We're going to be going to like a department store.
Communist era department store.
Yeah, leftover from the era. It should be interesting because they do have stuff from that era.
One cheese?
C'è per la persona con questo aglio che è liquido, no?
So these are the bagels that the old ladies sell on the street. It's 2 zloty, which is 50 cents.
50 cents.
And they come in different, they're just like bagels. They got cheese, sesame, plain. So it's fresh. And it's got a cheesy taste to it.
It does?
Yeah, not bad at all. I mean, it's like 30 something degrees out, so it's not hot anymore, but it's fresh. So highly recommend it. So we just finished the Oskar Schindler Museum, and the museum is in the building where his factory was, but a lot of it is reproduction.
Yes, a lot of his reproduction. He is credited for saving over 1,200 Jews in World War II. It's a very thorough museum about his life, what he did.
Kind of the history of the city.
Yeah, it gives you a lot of the history of the city. It gives
During
you,
the war, I should.
Yeah, it gives you a lot of German invasion, also the Russian invasion. You get a little bit of that. You get to see a little bit of how they lived in the ghetto. Reproduction, of course, but it still gives you a hint of the history. It's not what you think. It's not a red brick building, from 1900s.
Yeah,
it's a modern building, but.
I mean, like the high points to see, really, the only two things that are going to be recognizable, if you come because of Schindler's List,
right.
then you see his desk, his actual desk.
And the stairs.
And the stairs that you see in the movie. And since I don't remember the whole movie, I don't remember the stairs. You just got to be prepared to wait in line, and you got to be prepared when you go inside to deal with crowds.
Yes, because it's small space. So it gets crowded really quick.
Exactly.
Once you stay away from the tours, you get the place to yourself. But if you want to listen to what they have to say, then just follow one of them.
Monday, if you're here, Monday is free day, free. Which we found out.
Yes.
Today's Monday, but it's also the day that it's open the shortest.
Yes, it's from
10 to
2, and the rest of the week
10
to 6.
Yeah.
But if you want a freebie, come on Monday.
Come on Monday. It's worth your time, and especially if you're a fan of the movie, which it's my understanding that's the whole reason that this museum even exists. The Polish government realized the value.
Yeah, it was because of Nielsen who did the movie. Leon Nielsen.
Liam Neeson. Okay, so next we're going to a huge supermarket.
Right, so this is a supermarket that's been around since...
No, not the communist era one. The next one is the giant normal supermarket.
Oh, okay.
So we're at a big shopping mall called Bonarka, and we're here because there's a big giant
It's a
supermarket.
huge supermarket. It literally, I think, takes the whole side of the...
It was like half the floor in the video we saw.
Yeah, half the floor.
So we're hoping to find booze there at a good price.
Yeah, we're looking for vodka. So.
And then we'll have lunch while we're here, and we'll see what else we can find. All right? Let's take a look.
Come with us.
Let's keep walking. Pierogies as far as the eye can see. So Jubilat wasn't exactly as communist as we were expecting.
No, it still had a little bit of the era though in the dishes. And...
Yeah, I mean the building and everything, the look.
Yeah.
But it was built in I think the company was started in the early 80s.
Well, the building is from that era.
Yeah.
You can see that.
Well, no, and the store was there.
Yeah.
But, yeah, it didn't really live up to the hype we kind of built up for ourselves. We still did our shopping for the day, and now we went back to the apartment. Now we went back out.
Yeah, we only try to do down one.
Yeah, we're trying to plan our stair climbing and we're going to dinner at a rooftop restaurant at a hotel by the river. So we'll show you the view when we get there. So stand by. Beautiful church. Well, the rooftop restaurant that we were expecting to have a spectacular view at has a spectacular view.
That's it.
And that's it. Like, they handed you like 4 menus.
No, it was more. It was one. It was
Well,
like 5 menus.
There was a tea menu, a pizza menu, a dinner menu, a drink menu, and then a seasonal special menu. And then it's a Monday. There's like 3 tables occupied, and we still sat there for like 10 minutes, and we kind of reconsidered the whole thing, and we're gonna go eat in a restaurant in Old Town Square. We found our way back to Old Town Square, and we're settling on a very bougie restaurant.
Yeah, it was very nice. It's called Zappos, right? It's called Zappos.
Zara Jess.
Yes.
Which means Grey Goose, by the way.
Oh, that's what it means. Grey
Yes.
Goose. That's why the dessert is a Grey Goose.
Grey
dessert.
Goose, yeah. This is just what I was starting to talk about. We've got some bougie starting thing they gave us, and we're not entirely sure what it is.
I think this is cheese in the bottom.
It's some kind of pear.
It's cheese.
Yeah.
Okay, now we got it.
Tell us about the wine we're having tonight, Alba.
We are having a Polish Riesling. It's actually very, very nice, very crisp. It's, it's soft. It's not dry. It's not sweet.
Exactly. I was concerned it was going to be too sweet.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
This is foie gras ice cream with sweet bread and jelly on the side. Alba's having pear and goat cheese salad.
Cheese and green leaves.
Marinated pear. So Alba got the duck broth with dumplings.
Wow. It's very good.
I see it, and I messed up.
Excellent, chef.
I got the pumpkin cream soup. It's very good, but now I'm admiring Alba's.
Yeah, this is very good.
All right, main course is here. Alba's having the beef tenderloin,
Roasted potatoes.
and what was it? Carrot. It was like carrot puree
Onions.
and onions. And I'm having the braised beef cheeks with it's barley and truffle and broccoli and carrots. So let's take a look. So this is the dessert called Grey Goose. You get the cotton candy on the outside. The goose egg is white chocolate with white chocolate like syrupy filling, ganache, with some fruit mixed in for the yolk. And then it's got a nest underneath made out of cacao. Try to keep it. Oh, there we go. Oh, wasn't it mango?
Yeah.
That's what it was.
An egg.
Yeah, the yolk is mango. Oh, that looks scrumptious.
Oh my goodness. I never did anything like that.
So we just finished our impromptu dinner
Yes.
at the Grey Goose,
Grey Goose.
Zara Jess. And everything was good.
It was excellent.
Very bougie.
Yes, but it was excellent.
It was excellent.
Very, very good. We had a 4-course meal.
Yes.
Well, we chose a 4-course meal. Not that they, offer it. We made it a 4-course meal.
Exactly. So we had starters. We had the soups. We had our
The main,
mains, and then we had dessert,
dessert and coffee.
and coffee. We had a bottle of wine.
Yes.
Alba had an extra glass of wine
That's
to go with her
right.
main course.
2
And
bottles of water.
2 bottles of water and 2 coffees.
Yes.
And in American money with the tip was $185.
Yes, which was fantastic.
It was good value. It was
Yeah.
great value considering what we got. So
Yes.
we're very happy with it. And if you're in Krakow, be sure to stop at the Grey Goose. You won't regret it.
No, absolutely not. You're going to have
Yeah.
a phenomenal dinner.
Exactly. And with that,
Yes, we call it a night.
we're going to call it a night because now we got to go climb up the stairs and pack our bags. So we'll see you
Tomorrow
guys
off
tomorrow.
in Bruno.
Off to Bruno.